Yes guys, कैसे आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to another video. Today मैं हमने का माइंड रीड करने वाला हूँ. How is it possible? I know it sounds shocking, but I can. Think of your age. Okay. +2. Wait a minute. Okay. +5. 5? Yeah. Plus? Yeah. Okay. Now minus your age. Now -4. -4? Wait a minute. Okay, it's okay. Now minus your age. Minus my age? Okay. Are you thinking of the number 3? How is it possible? I know I'm a magician. I want to know this trick. A magician? No. Can you do it again? Okay. Okay. Think of your age. Okay. No, now think. No, this time not your age. Think of the number 5. Okay. Now +2. Now -2. No, what is it? Okay, fine. +2. Now +5. Okay. Now -7. Wait a minute. Anna doesn't know math. I know. I think you say the number -7. Yeah, -7. Think it in your mind. Wait a minute. I'm doing. Okay. Are you thinking of the number 5? How? I want to know this trick. You really know. You just gotta think of the number in your mind. I am not thinking of the number in my mind too. A magician never tells his tricks. Okay. Go! आना चलो एक शर्ट लगाते हैं. कौन सी? पहले ये देख लो विनिंग प्राइस. अगर तुम जीती तो मैं तुम्हें 1000 रुपए दूंगा और अगर मैं जीता तो तुम्हें मुझे 500 रुपए देने हैं. और शर्त ये है कि तुम्हें गलत आंसर देने हैं मेरे क्वेश्चंस के. गलत? ओके. तो व्हाट इज माय फेवरेट गेम? Studying. Don't feel it. Okay, but how many subscribers do we have? 0. Okay. वैसे कितने क्वेश्चन हो गए? 2. 1000 रुपए निकालो. 1000 कैसे? 500 नहीं थे? हाँ 500 रुपए निकालो. पक तुमने सही जवाब दिया ना. मैंने इसका मीनिंग ही नहीं अंडरस्टैंड किया कि ये भी क्वेश्चन ही पूछ रहा था मुझसे. चलो निकालो. मैं एकदम बाथरूम से हो गया था. पहले पैसे निकालो. चली गई यार. ना मेरे पैसे जाया हो गया. बाय. तुम एक रीडर चाहिए? हाँ पूछो. तुम्हारे सामने 3 दरवाजे हैं. एक दरवाजे के पीछे ये रीडर जो भी हो सकता है तुम हंस सकती हो. तो तुम्हारे सामने 3 दरवाजे हैं. 3 डोर्स. एक के पीछे 150 करोड़ रुपए हैं. दूसरे के पीछे 50 करोड़ वैल्यूएबल गोल्ड है اور تیسرے کردار میں مسٹیریس ڈاکیومنٹس ہے جس کی ویلیو کسی کو بھی نہیں پتا. پولیس آئی ہے, کس کی سب دروازوں میں آگ بجی ہوئی ہے, تو پولیس آئی, کس کی آگ پہلے بجھائے گی؟
آئی تھنک مسٹیریس ڈاکومنٹس کی, کیونکہ اس کی پرائس اس سے بھی زیادہ ہو سکتی ہے نا. مسٹیریس ڈاکومنٹس.
رانگ.
ہاؤ؟
پولیس آگ بجھاتی ہیں.
وٹ؟
پولیس آگ نہیں بجھاتی. You should use your tiny brain to a big brain. I have read your mind. Now I bet I can make you say no.
I will not say no.
Okay. You have 3 doors in your front. Okay. One is green, one is purple, and one is orange. Which door?
Green, purple, and orange.
Okay. Which door will you pick?
My favorite color is purple, so I will pick the purple.
Okay. Now, in the purple door, there are 3 fruits.
3?
Yeah.
Foods.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 fruits.
Fruits. Okay, 3 fruits.
One is mango, orange, and then watermelon.
Orange. I like orange.
Okay, I don't know how she got it, but I know you know the trick, right? You know the trick, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I thought you'd say on that. I know on that. No, I don't. No, I don't know. I thought you would say that.
Oh,
So this time I lost, but I read her mind. That's a bigger thing than that. So.
Okay. It was means like that. Hamza was thinking I will say no, I don't know. So then I will say no, but I didn't say no. I say I don't know.
Well, no counts.
How?
It's separate. I said no. Pronunciation.
I'm so mad.
I'm just kidding. JK.
Just kidding. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.
And like and subscribe our channel.
The lunch